Well, I know that often folks keep wondering when in my eyes a far off look they see. What can it be, the cause of all my dreaming? What is this dream so very dear to me? And true to tell, 'tis often I go roaming in dreams along the road of memories, to where my heart will find its consolation within that lovely cottage by the lea. My home, sweet home, that I so fondly cherish. The dear ones there mean everything to me. In all this world, if there could be a heaven, I'm sure it's in that cottage by the lea. It's grand to stand outside that cottage doorway and gaze across the cornfields rich and gold, to hear the stream go rippling by the meadow, or watch the shepherd calling to his fold. From down the lane that winds behind the garden, a blackbird greets the smiling sun. And as his music echoes o'er the valley, you smile and bless the day that you were born. Yes, that's my dream, my lovely dream of homeland. And though I thought a rover I could be, too soon I found I left my heart behind me within that lovely cottage by the